In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Photoshop not responding on Windows 10. If Photoshop freezes or stops responding, the fastest way to get back on track is to close the frozen process and start fresh. I'll walk you through a safe, reliable way to do that using Task Manager. First, move your mouse to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and right-click it. From the menu that appears, click Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a small, simple view with just a few apps listed, look for the option that says More Details and click it. This expands Task Manager into the full view, making it easier to find exactly what we need. Across the top, you'll see tabs like Processes, Performance, App History, Startup, Users, Details, and Services. Click on the Details tab. This view shows all the running processes on your computer, including background ones, sorted by name by default. If you have a lot of items listed, take a moment to scroll through carefully. Now we're looking specifically for the Photoshop process. Scroll down and find photoshop.exe. You might see just one entry, or in some cases more than one if multiple components are open. Select photoshop.exe by clicking on it once. If you're having trouble spotting it, you can click the name column header to sort alphabetically and make it easier to locate. With photoshop.exe selected, click End Task. You may see a confirmation prompt. Choose to end it. This forces Windows to close the frozen Photoshop process. A quick heads up, if Photoshop was unresponsive and you had unsaved changes, those changes may be lost. Ending the task doesn't uninstall anything or change your settings. It simply shuts down the stuck program so you can launch it again cleanly. Give your system a moment to finish closing the process. Once it's done, you can reopen Photoshop from your Start menu or desktop as usual. In many cases, this simple reset clears the hang and you're good to go. If you often work with very large files or many layers, consider saving frequently and keeping an eye on available memory to reduce the chance of future freezes. That's all there is to it. By using Task Manager, going to the Details tab, and ending Photoshop.exe, you can quickly recover from a not responding situation on Windows 10 and get back to your project. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.